Today I'm going to show you how to take this mess and install a cord cap on the end of it. Hi, my name is Michaud and I am the electrical instructor. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut it off flush. So you're looking to go about 1.25 inches. Take your razor knife and score away from you. Okay, this is SJO cord. Okay, SJO cord is great. It's very flexible, but you have to be very careful because especially cutting with a razor knife, you can cut yourself. Once you score down the middle, now you just go to the end, roll it through, don't go too deep, fold it off, and it will come right off. The paper that's inside, you're going to want to make sure you cut that off flush. Close enough. The next step, you're going to want to make sure you strip about 1/4 inch of the insulation. When using a stranded conductor, especially in a cheaper type cord, something you can get at Walmart, Kmart, things of that nature. When you cut off the ends, the strands are actually going to want to fray on you. Okay, your best bet is to take them and twist them a little bit tighter so that they don't come apart on you. You want to make sure you get them nice and tight because you'll never make a solid conductor, but at least this way here they'll be solid. Green is your ground, silver is your neutral or your white. The brass or colored is going to be your hot, black, red, blue, whatever color you have. Let's put it together. I start with the ground. I'm going to take your Phillips head screwdriver. You're going to open up the end and you're going to land the wire You want to make sure it's nice and tight. Next, you're going to do the white. And you're going to do the same thing, making sure it's nice and tight. You don't want to pinch the insulation underneath the set screw. And last, you'll install the black that goes into the When you're done, you're going to make sure that you tighten the screws. And there you have it. You tighten it down, you've got your 3-prong plug. These are very simple projects that any homeowner can do. You don't need an electrician for something like this. You do have to remember, make sure your screws are tight. Make sure you understand that your green wire goes to your green screw, your white wire goes to your silver screw, and your black wire goes to your brass screw. Okay, discolored screw, black screw, depending on the type of cord cap you buy, we'll decide on what color that actually is. Hope this helped. If this helped, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, Have a great day and be safe.